Hello guys! Today is unboxing of Jamea'S helmet. So, dumating na yung kanyang helmet na in-order namin sa Shopee.
This is my helmet.
Okay. So, how does it look like? You start opening it now. Use the scissor. And let's show. Dito sa gilid. You show us. Okay na, let me open it for you. Okay na. Careful. Akin na nga rin. Ako na. Okay na. Careful. You might cut your hand. This is worth 275 only. Oh, okay. Now that's your favorite color. Okay. Akin na. Open ko. Okay. Akin na yun. Dito. Hindi. Are. Wow, it's color pink. Oh, with the knee pad and the elbow pad. Let me see. I can Okay, you try it on.
How to open this?
There, yan. Tanggalin mo lang. Yan, ganyan. Wow!
There you are.
Oh, Papa is calling.
Wow!
Wow! It's beautiful! Nag-unbox kami. Wow! It's like that. Okay, try it on. It's like that. Baliktad. Okay, I will fix it. Let me see the knee pad. Ba't naging ganito yung cellphone ko?
Paano nga naman? Ano ko ilagay?
Tara!
Ano ko ilagay?
Sige. Wait lang. Okay na, let me put it. Napitpit po siya guys kasi nabangking oh.
Nabangking.
Dapat ganito siya. Dapat ganyan. Yan, dapat. Nabangking siya. Plastic lang kasi ito.
Wala.
Plastic lang siya. Ate Isa, can you help her? Ate Isa will help you. Nabangking siya. Let me see the knee pad. This is for the elbow pad. Matibay naman yung elbow pad.
The elbow?
Yeah, ito. For the elbow. Patingin yung isa, knee pad. Baka niyan na akong ko. This is for the elbow. Nakong ko. That's for the knee.
How to put it on the knee?
Ate Isa will help you.
Saan yung knee na to, Tita?
Then she will go biking. Yay!
Ano to?
Ilalagay natin mamaya. Let me see. Ta-da! Your elbow? Oh, elbow, knee pad. There you are. Okay, I'll take picture. Show it to me. Uy, ganda-ganda naman ng baby ko. So, medyo napitpit yung kanyang helmet. Plastic lang naman po. Nayupi lang. Tapos, itong mga to, ayan, ano lang, ganyan lang siya, oh. So, hindi siya yung ginaganon na lock. Tapos, pati rin tong mga to, oh, ganyan lang po siya. Ganyan na, let me see. Let me see, Yan, isusok-sok mo lang. Tapos, yung isa. Yung knee, ganyan lang din. Oh, let me see. Magulo. Sa likod ka. Yan, ganyan lang, oh.
Mabasag yan,
Meron lang siyang, hindi naman lock yun, kasi ano lang. Yan. Okay, you show now, final look. Turn around, slowly. Ta-da! Okay, let's start biking. So that's all, guys. If you want to order also sa Shopee po namin to order, mura lang, $2.74. That's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aming videos. Bye! Go.
I don't know.
Sige. Ayun, so guys, ang masasabi ko lang dun sa helmet na binili ko for my daughter is, okay naman siya for the price na $274 kasi 5-in-1 na nga siya. 5-in-1 na. Helmet, wrist, for the elbow, and for the knee. 274 pesos only. So, except for the helmet, ang masasabi ko lang, this is honest review lang din. Kasi yung helmet niya is plastic, medyo nayupi siya ng konti. Dapat ang packaging nun is meron din siyang bubble wrap. Wala kasi siyang bubble wrap eh. Tapos, yung mga lock nung knee pad at saka yung elbow, dapat yung sabi, yung tumutunog pag nilock mo. Siguro mas mahal yung mga ganun. Pero okay na din yun. At least, color pink, yun yung gusto ng daughter ko. And if you like the subscription, if you like the link kung saan ko binili yun, I will put on the description box below. Binili ko po yan sa Shopee. At least very affordable price naman. And it's color pink. It's my daughter's favorite color. So, yun lang po. Thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell na rin po para ma-update kayo sa aking mga videos. Bye!